Kagiri tina mwaru kwana na dinengi na ru kwana itanga ni kwa kara mwansi to mbiya mutaka umugambi uyu kanya ndiji kaunti kitora kwatari ni wa hani kiteka na ki Nyamira bono na kisi yo yabemo ekura y'umurambo akwera kwa Nyarwonski karati kama ngana yari muinari ntu watwara kwa in fact wakona rita ano kubona yo yanga haba iko kwa ngari ruoro mbrani kasi haya kwa ekara kwa nyako mna kuya ruso kwa kanu kwa tabangizi mkono ni nabazikana nzunya za ukonde yasa ita kumulinda baka kole bile bya kusingi aki umwana uyu titanga ni mama tayeba no mwana no mama sabe mo kwa mate oyu mwana uyu kumari mshimini rais koranje ani utotinya mariga utotinya mariga umwana uyu akiyesa abantu abapi ekaloga ndo kunya kuweka sita yali yawe ndiya manya sabazini
muskone ndiya mono majority leader iganteve muske Simba rati ndiya mona sogo chaga Nyamira enda sini chomone na nteve lingane ndi murioka ngendreka na songa ndingo livo kekero wachire your excellency no ba ko ke Simba ko kana muga ko bino ama ita ko ke Simba no ne ke ko mo ko na besa Nyamira ko tetemeka kisira ya ko ya teva ko muga na ndege ko na your excellency ko sabira maya ande nchira your excellency wako na ko teva aya nchenjere kwa nyago turasiria mabati ya kwa nyago tukunere ande ko arazo ko nyaro kuna ae ko nyenze on spear singinjo Simba ra itena iro lira ira gutigire kirugo to kwa nyago pia mo ndiye to your excellency ngoro ko Dickson Machungo ncherendo macharo uriyo wako na ngo babe giteriberera
oyo no nominated MC ito we chama ya ole kinambia kuna kujiora lakini mugaka kuna ukisime kama sport huyo.
Your Excellency itangani mbia mwana sogo chaira you have humbled yourself
Fungua tisha
oja ase abamintu basirire nanjemba kwani gwairire matuere ngorogo Julius kurwanya matuta kebrigaiga. Madam Isabella, apart from being a colleague in the profession you are, teaches in one of my schools.
I want to thank you because of what you are doing in Gusii Teaching and Referral Hospital, Your Excellency. We need those professionals, the oncologists and all that's around the preventing and promoting health around the suspected causes of cancer. Thank you for coming to Mon, your family, and then imagine Your Excellency na a small challenge to acquire. Yeah, the firstborn one, so that at least the family here I say what I mean. To impeachment here. I think what to canity because of lakini with one vote awasikawa wakaechu wakambe ko lido majority yani wakalera usewa atuwa kule ndege ntu atamana kira na kerokyo. I'm praying that this family ali mungari osirire lakini Your Excellency kutera kwa kwao wateno tata nasira mwakone nasira ndugu yaito yasira lakini Simba rat egavana ya Gusii County yake atoa mabomba and they are promising mwana na jabareki. They will run for that, and that's how the human psychology works. They will be comfortable with that. Very small but very impactful. Welcome at any particular time. I am a spokesman ya Gusii and everybody knows.
Yes.
You are free, watch any time. You are the leader of the largest party in Kenya, ODM. You have cheered all the tests and challenges over time. We thank you and we appreciate you. We recognize you as a gift for Gusii. Excellent. Thank you.
Nyamira, we are proud of you. at times indire sometimes back kere elections chagendrete campaign chi poster chao chalenge gange tinga gocha mutu ni orta bantu to alenge na mabu gali me ora tena kana ki you know they thought gali kisi amini Nyamira ngayani oyo abakwamba ndo chatambe sana bakagai nanda abandi bakaganga ekwali campaign ga Nyamira. So what I want to say is that egasi yao nengia ngendera ego nyasaye na wate mpangilo ya kero yomo anabande gasi yao nerego kwa obonere buno kuna ukina mbia mono. I never knew that you would come here to my house. Duke, thank you so much for our governor Kisio ikirega. I'm proud. Request you to abige tomutu. I want to believe that nyasaye ulio legorta gututiga njia zitafunguka. Thank you so much.
Pia mono tutagiteko babengi mono so that tuanche umuske Paul Simbarati nera soka chiko korake mokende bibere monege ntoke kobera 90 omuno mu Gusii twa feeling na bori bwene to kobo mono geri nga taibe na request ya na bori gwa no muske Don no muske Charles nyechenga na kinari kuna komorangiri ku Gusii kunga kuna gwantuma na ikioro bot just a statement you muske
Mheshimiwa Sengira, Your Excellency, family na wasani wenjire bya you are showing a good example of leadership. Leadership is humbling yourself. Just like Jesus did, I'm seeing you doing it like Jesus did. And we are humbled by your faces. Jesus, Beto Koyo was not just a friend. Isabella is like my sister. I call her like my sister. We have taught together. I've molded her and she has molded me. We have been very close. Honestly, you are working. You are working. And let God guide you to keep on working. I'm sure you are going to work on it. God bless you.
Your Excellency, I have been and I am still an ardent ODM supporter. Mwenye wangulete ticket the last minute Tanzania gaja kwenda independent ndo wakangekero. So we want to wish you well and ayo koratu kana in vain sainaroro. Ndo kwa sabira maya family merubiri ya rabia. Thank you so much. God bless.
Shukuru His Excellency Governor Gusii County. Nanya wakorara njengo wakorara chibicha. So I'm humbled ngale arotu omerani. The MCAs in Nyamira County. Duke. Thank you so much. Asogo tutarera na gotoretera engora. First Chronicles chapter 4 verse 9 and 10. It talks about Jabez. Jabez ya sabanyasai bintu bine. Number 1, he said, bless me. Number 2, expand my territory. Number 3, be with me. And number 4, keep me from evil. Is my prayer for the leaders and for each one of us. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. We claim that promise. Na muendere kuhudumia bantu ba Gusii, bantu ba Nyamira. Nyamira tu wede banyakolera balirene. Nyasaba a leader. Leaders come from the Lord. Titus chapter 3 verse 1 na yotanga. Nyasaba ngoto hali leaders. Na ndengo bahari wisdom. Mwapare gasi. Igo Nyasaba ndako banene. Wakati mnaendelea kuhudumia watu wake. Na kwa hiyo machache Mungu wetu